Welcome back, everybody. In this session, we're going to cover a quick video on how to install Active Directory domain services. So, as per normal, start up your server manager, click on Manage, add roles and features, confirm that you're installing it on the correct machine, and now we're going to install Active Directory domain services. And once again, it's as simple as that. Now, I usually like to tick this just to save a couple of seconds. It's as simple as that. Speed it up. Now that we've succeeded in installing our Active Directory domain services, let's make this server the boss of the network, also known as the domain controller. So promote the server to become a domain controller. It's the first domain controller in a brand new forest, in a brand new tree. So let's click on add a new forest. Give it a second. We will be using these details. scampus.com is our domain name. So add a new forest. scampus.com. Next. Yep, looks good. We need to give it another restore mode password. I like to think of this as a second level password. Pretty straightforward. Let it auto-populate the NetBIOS name. And there we go. As simple as that. Let's speed up the video a little and hit install. Don't forget, make sure you restart the machine if it does not prompt you to. And then I'll see you shortly. Logging in after the restart. And congratulations, there we go. We've got Active Directory domain services installed and configured. Congratulations.